Alrighty, Ben, here's your 363 small block Ford. Give you a description of this combination. It's got AFR cylinder heads on it. It's got a custom grind hydraulic roller, Pro-Am manifold, obviously fuel management, Holley Terminator X, custom ground hydraulic roller. Got the rear sump floor pan on it. Beautiful Billet Specialties front end, all blacked out for you. Go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie dokie here, 3,800, 401 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 452, peak horsepower 515, rated 530, front end's about 20, so everything's good. Pull the pipe back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple other things. When you receive your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. It's got your engine build specs, dyno video, tech stuff. Highly recommend plug it in and watch it. On the engine will be this tag. We'll have your engine number, some other specs. That engine number, if you need anything from us, is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code, hover on that. Basically, I'll take you to some other tech stuff. So highly recommend watch all this stuff. Have a great day.